Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer service with Zendesk, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Familiarize yourself with the Zendesk dashboard. Navigate to the admin panel located in the sidebar. Create your support channels under the Channels section. Set up an email support address that customers can use to reach you. Integrate social media platforms if applicable. Configure live chat options for real-time customer interaction. Next, move on to setting up your ticketing system. Define ticket statuses and priorities based on your workflow. Customize ticket fields to gather relevant information from customers. Utilize tags to categorize and organize tickets efficiently. Now, establish automated workflows by creating triggers. Set up responses for common customer inquiries using macros. Create a knowledge base in the guide section for self-service support. Add articles that address frequently asked questions and issues. Encourage customers to utilize the knowledge base for common problems. Train your support team on how to use the Zendesk system effectively. Set up performance metrics to track response and resolution times. Use the reports section to analyze customer service data. Monitor customer satisfaction through surveys sent after ticket resolution. Adjust your processes based on feedback and performance insights. Ensure ongoing updates and training for your team as Zendesk evolves. Stay informed about new features that could enhance customer service. Regularly review your support channels for effectiveness. Encourage collaboration between team members to resolve complex issues. Finally, consistently assess your customer service strategies for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.